Well, over the course of the years, my wife Lori and myself have built several different homes, and I will say from a general contractor standpoint, Florida Value Homes and Kyle have been by far one of the best companies that we've dealt with. They've been extremely professional, kept us informed of all the various costs that are going to be involved in the projects, given us pretty accurate quotations based on things that we had asked for to be done and changes that we've made. Us being snowbirds, we weren't always immediately available locally to meet with Kyle and Justin, but via text and phone calls, they've been exceptional. I would definitely recommend Florida Value Homes for anybody that's looking to put in a mobile or a modular home. One of the great things about it is here we are on the job site. They're setting everything up. I've been talking to Justin and Jason and telling them little changes that I would like to see made or where I want outlets, whether it be water or electric, and they have been more than accommodating. So in summary, I'd say if you're looking to put in a new home, I would definitely give Florida Value Homes a call, and I can assure you, you will not be disappointed. We talked to several other contractors, and I'm very happy with the decision we made.